Are you nervous?
Yeah, actually, I'm nervous.
Really?
Oh,
Are you scared?
oh, scared. JK.
Where is my second pillow? I am so triggered.
Princess Ray needs his pillow.
I feel like when I hear the video start booming, it's probably a feature of me.
Yeah, because you have so deep voice, man. You talk like,
Hello, it's Grums.
It's me, Graham.
10K, 9K.
I'm coming.
I'll be there in 10
I'm just
seconds.
not going on Victor.
10
I'm going on Victor.
Alex is fine.
Okay.
Alex is fine.
We got it. Keep going. Back off. They're in the pit. I'm not there. 5 seconds. Sumi, 5 seconds.
I got there.
Nice, nice.
Go, 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 go. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 go. Nice.
Rule number 1 today?
Yeah, rule number 1 is listen to Bora.
Alright.
Okay, hey guys.
Is everyone
I got
good?
some more sagely advice. It's a team game.
Peter, can you please not try and tilt me before the game?
It's no time for memes.
There is no BG, but there's just happy little mistake.
Accidents. Happy little accidents, yeah.
Happy little accidents.
I can't focus. I need my pillow.
Ay, ay, ay. Top third is Brett.
Maybe Anivia here.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh, wait, I need to be here.
Hey, I'm alive, I'm alive. We can stay. Go, keep bottom.
Okay,
keep bottom.
Just go for it, go for it. Listen no Q.
들어가. Okay.
Yeah.
Fight.
Hit it. Finish
Finish and then turn.
Oh my god!
Ali. Keep going.
Yo, ref. Is my pillows actually coming? Oh my god, finally. Thank you.
Take a deep breath. Imagine yourself winning. Just look at yourself going over there, shaking their hands.
Thank you, Björk.
Wow. What a magical moment.
Before you said these words,
Just
I did not want to win. But now I want to win.
Just shake out your hands, boys. Let's go, shake it out.
We're doing Taylor Swift now. Shake it off.
Around the world, back around the world.
To be Arcane's forward, I'm gonna flash.
Okay. Let's go. This time. Nice.
I'm dead.
Okay, jump it, three.
Go. You can go. I can cover you.
Let's go. No flash.
Let's go. Nice. Let's go.
Every game on Gravity, before the game, we would just go like this at the top of our lungs.
Sneaky.
Why? I don't know.
Who made that sound? Bonnie or Sneaky?
That wasn't me.
Really?
Yep.
I don't believe it. Yo, go. Kill TF.
Go for TF.
Go TF. Nice.
Back up. Oh,
End the game.
Kill TF, he says. Kill TF.
Yeah, I told you I do that on accident sometimes.
Kill TF.
You can care.
Nice.
Okay, just end. GG.
Oh, our Fantasy LCS point is getting lower.
Fuck, our LCS points so low. We're going too fast.
Top one first.
We can enter mid.
Top one first.
Nice, Turtle.
Holy shit, Turtle the god. Push.
Finish.
Nice.
Hey.
Turtle the cat.
Turtle
Turtle the god is on the building.
Oh, but actually, this one's weird. Why are they different?
Man, casting our princess.
No, look, this one's hard, and this one's soft. Yeah, there's difference.
Yeah, soft and hard.
Where is Scott?
It's
No, it's. I can't do this.